Hello guys, today me and my sister Rhea are going to be hatching some fossil eggs.
Hello.
Stop. Okay, so I'm not sure if we have any water, but we can grab some tea. Well, the tea actually matches the fossil egg.
Yeah, that is super cool.
It's like the tea was meant for the fossil egg. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought it was gonna hatch.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so
We have fossil eggs and one pet egg.
yeah. Wait, pet egg? Oh yeah, we do. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh, it's so cute. It's a Tasmanian tiger. It's common, but it's still really cute.
So cute.
Maybe we'll hatch one Aussie egg.
Maybe, just maybe, to make the video longer.
I don't know if we're gonna have enough time for this video, but it's worth a shot because I can't really put it on speed because I don't know how. Okay. We will meet you at the camping site, guys. Okay, guys, we're at the camping site.
She got the rocket racer because it can rocket race.
Oh, that is so cringy. Why did you even say that? Okay, I need this to, hatch. I don't have any Robux. You can literally see. Oh, shoot. It shows the editing app. I mean, the screen recording app. Okay. Okay, don't make those weird noises, Andy. Okay. Sorry, my sister is making weird noises at the back of the room. Raya, don't copy her.
Okay.
Okay,
As you can see, she has 0 Robux.
yeah.
And we made that very clear.
Yeah, we've tried it 50 times already. Now we need to go to the park. I think I need to place my house somewhere. Okay. Yes, we're gonna place it here. Excuse me.
It's like you have to put it somewhere else every time you do a need.
But you literally don't. My computer has this weird thing where it double clicks. So if you see anything weird, it's because it has a double click, and I don't know why. I've tried to clean dirt out of the mouse, doesn't help it at all. Probably just gonna have to get a new mouse. Okay. Yay. Okay. So now we need to put it in the bath. I honestly don't know why I don't have a toilet. I literally spent 3,600 on all these eggs. The 3,600 I actually didn't work hard to get though. I am aging up some Skelly Rexes and some Kitsunes to make a neon. Because I'm trying to get a neon Arctic reindeer or a neon turkey. But I love the neon Arctic reindeers. They are so adorable.
My dream pet is a neon owl.
Yeah, that used to be my dream pet, but my all-time dream pet is a mega bat dragon.
But
probably never gonna get it, but
you have to believe that you could get it one day.
Okay.
I mean, she's manageable of getting the...
Manageable, not manageable. Is that what we said? I don't know.
She has...
I can manage, not manageable, manageable. manageable is not a word.
She can manage to get a neon Arctic reindeer.
Yeah, I can. I can manage that, but I don't know how people get rich here in Adopt-Me, but
Yeah.
show me your tricks.
You are actually kind of rich.
Nah. I'm talking about like Mega Shadow Rich.
Wow. Well, you're kind of mega shadow trick.
Not even a little.
I'm not even a little mega shadow rich. Like,
She's making a neon Cerebus.
yeah.
Did I say Mega Neon? I meant Neon. You should name it Luna, because it's a really pretty name.
Yeah, especially for the neon service.
Or Moon, because Luna means moon in Spanish. I don't know.
I think I'm gonna name it Moon.
Moon, okay.
Muna!
Moona!
What the?
That sounds like a kids show name. Like, oh my gosh. Muno. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait. Can I actually sit on here? This is the life.
And now,
Oh my gosh.
dancing.
What happened? Sorry guys, I think we lost you.
She forgot to press the recording button.
So, we recorded a whole 10 minutes of the video, but then it was like, oh.
And I don't know why the hot spring still...
By the way, guys,
hasn't-
Merry Christmas, Merry early Christmas, because there's 2 days until Christmas.
I guess the water at the hot springs wouldn't change to ice because, like, it's so hot that it couldn't change to ice.
Yeah, remember on Christmas last year when there wasn't COVID, we got to go to the hot springs?
Yeah, in real life.
Yeah. Okay. So, today, I thought I was just starting the, oh my gosh.
That is so funny.
Why aren't you laughing? Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha ha.
Yeah, sorry for cringy. We're the cringy sisters.
Yeah.
That was even more cringy.
Yeah. It's cringy to say cringe.
Not to me.
That is so cringe.
I don't know. I think it's okay to say that. Oh my gosh, I love these ice cream sleighs. They're adorable. Okay,
Even though they're like a really common vehicle you see everywhere.
Yeah, I know. I mean, not really anymore.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look. It's the same material as the unicorn thing. And guys, I am almost to my diamond egg. I mean, not almost, but like more than halfway. So, I'm so excited because I can manage to get my dream pet that way. I mean, like, maybe I could even get a neon crow. I love neon crows.
You could maybe even get a neon
albino monkey.
albino.
But I actually want a neon Arctic reindeer more than I want a neon albino monkey.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to sleep.
No, not in a creepy way.
Let's go to sleep.
That is kind of creepy.
We'll be back when it goes to sleep.
This time she didn't forget to press the recording button.
Okay, so, yeah. We only need one more need. That was too much needs in one sentence. I said need 3 times, almost 4. Okay, yes, I said it 4 times. Okay. Trading turkey for Yeti. It's not one Yeti. It's, I don't know what they're saying. Okay, in the chat, like, sometimes I don't get people.
A monkey versus a Yeti. A Yeti is so rare.
I know. It's like,
even though monkeys were first, but
I miss the
Yetis
monkey
are-
event. I miss it so much.
Yetis are like ultra rare. Well, monkeys are like uncommon.
Oh my gosh, that's sad. They named it Thanksgiving. Is it for Thanksgiving?
Yeah, like
It's for Thanksgiving. Can I help you?
no.
Wow, 2? Unicorn Central. Oh my gosh. All of these people with like neon unicorns, like,
This is a rich server, is all I'm trying
no,
to
it's not.
say.
No, it is not. Compared to the rich servers I've seen,
Like, neon bat dragons.
mega.
Mega neon bat.
They had like 50 mega neon bad dragons. I'm not kidding. And like 80 shadow. Like, I don't know.
And
How
you
do
are
people
just-
manage to get that?
And you are just like sitting.
I'm
there,
sitting here when I was
with-
playing for 2 years and I had this inventory.
Yeah,
Okay, yes.
I've been playing for 1 year.
Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Needs one more need. I think I got all the snowmen around
When-
town.
When are people the creators of Adopt Me setting out like a new thing that you can find in the presents?
I know. It's like
Like,
I really
can
want-
there be one at least before Christmas?
okay, there you go, fossil egg. We need to see what it is. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is it gonna be? I hope it's like a T-Rex or a dodo. Or even
Yeah.
an ultra rare. Another Tasmanian. Oh, no. It's a Triceratops. Wait, let me see how much I have of these. Oh. One. Okay, I'm sorry.
But the Triceratops are
I think
so
we
cute.
can hold off on fossil eggs and go on to the pet eggs. We'll see you when it's almost done hatching. Okay, so guys, I just got this throw toy. It is adorable. I'll see you when this egg hatches.
And
First need completed, set like 4 needs to go. Third need completed. Fourth need completed. So guys, I hatched a red panda. Yay, they're so cute. Guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.